Steel deck systems of floor metal deck roll forming machines are not only more efficient than wood sheathing, but also offer more longevity and are more cost-effective to build. The metal floor decking machines are also easier to maneuver during construction. And the steel deck roll forming machines have a higher payoff in the form of less deflection or movement as the job progresses. The best part is that the decking floor roll forming machines are also environmentally friendly and will save you money in the long run.